Hi, guys. Come on in and join me for another episode of Break It Down for Me, Christina. My name is Christina Wynn, and I want to be your favorite small business expert. If this is your first time tuning into my channel, here's what you should know about me. I'm a small business owner myself. I own a small business development consulting company, The Winners Club, and we offer business coaching, professional writing, so we can help you get a grant. We can help people with their business plans. We also help people get SBA loans. We do small business education and workshops. We're really immersed in the small business development space and can certainly help any business at any stage and phase of their business get to the next level. I am also a business advisor with the Small Business Development Centers Network in Illinois, and that's a program through the SBA. And I am a business consultant with the Chicago Minority Supplier Development Council. The Chicago chapter is a part of a larger network called the National Minority Supplier Development Council. And the purpose of the council is to help minority businesses get certified so that they can do contracting with private corporations. So if you're interested in any of the things I just mentioned, check the description box below and make sure you get in contact with me. Now, enough of all of that. Let's get into today's video. I am going to answer the question, how does your taxes impact getting you certified as a minority or woman-owned business? So sit back, relax, and let's get right into it. So if you've looked at any of my previous videos, you know that I have mentioned that you will have to submit documents as a part of the certification application. One of the documents that you will have to submit are your federal tax returns. Now, this is not just for your personal, but it will be for your business. And if you have any other businesses, in addition to the business you're getting certified, you will have to submit taxes for that business as well. So the application asks for 3 years of tax returns. Some applications, depending upon what state you're in, may ask for 2 years of tax returns. But as a part of the application, your federal tax returns will need to be submitted. Let's talk about the reason for the tax returns. As a part of the certification, they are also looking at your personal net worth. So some states will require that you submit a personal net worth statement. Others will not. They will look at your tax returns to get an idea of how much money you're making in the business. And then you also have to submit a balance sheet, which would show any assets or equity that you have in your business. So your tax returns are a way for them to see how much money you're making in your business, to see you are a small enough business to get certified, because the certification is not for large businesses and corporations. It's for smaller companies to give you all an opportunity, us an opportunity, because I'm also a certified woman minority owned business, to give us an opportunity to do government contracting and work with larger corporations. If you have not been filing your taxes, you will not be qualified to get certified. You will have to give really good reason as to why you have not been filing taxes, and they may tell you to table the certification until that is mitigated, and then you'll be able to go through the process of getting certified. Let me just reiterate. You will need to file your taxes. They require you to have 3 years of your personal tax returns. So if you are in a situation within the last 3 years where you were not working, you decided not to file taxes that year, you will need to go back and work with the IRS in getting your taxes filed for that year if you want to be certified, because again, they require that you submit 2 to 3 years of your federal tax return. Lastly, I want to touch on if you have not been in business at least 3 years. Because they are asking for your articles of incorporation or your articles of organization as a part of the application, they will see how long your business has been established. So if you have not been established 3 years, then they know that you will not be able to submit 3 years or 2 years of those tax returns. This does not disqualify you from being certified. You can still get certified even if you cannot submit the full ask of tax returns. You will just need to submit what you can produce based on the amount of years that you've been in business. Now, there are instances where people who are consultants or in some professional services type of space and they are a newer business do not have to submit those tax returns if they have not been in business at least a year. But for other industries, I recommend, just for the sake of not being denied the certification, to wait a year so that you can produce a year of federal tax returns for your business as a part of the certification application. Because keep in mind, they're looking for businesses who are not only able to provide the product or service, but also have the capacity to do work with larger organizations. So we want to make sure that you are submitting the most complete and best application that you can in wanting to get certified. So I hope this video is helpful for you. If it was, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Make sure to watch the next video that I have. It's going to be talking about what it looks like to get certified as a minority-owned business, the 5-step system. And along with that 5-step system, you will see that we have an ebook that takes you through the 5-step system to get you ready to be certified. A lot of people that I talk to in the free discovery call that I offer, which is also in the description box below, so make sure you check that out. Most who are interested in the certification are not quite ready yet. Most. So with that being said, the ebook that we have is a 5-step system that is going to get you ready to do the certification. Once you go through this 5-step system, and there are 6 worksheets that you will have to complete as a part of the ebook, and once those things are done, then you will be ready for us to be able to help you get that certification so that you can be one step closer to getting those government contracts and contracts with those corporations that you are looking to work with. So make sure you guys like, share, and subscribe. Follow me on social media, and I look forward to seeing you all next time. I'm Christina, and I just broke it down for you.